Okay, so currently what we're busy doing is we actually busy welding in support braces and places to mount the mountings and stuff like that. So you guys will see in the video now that what we're busy with. So guys, stay tuned because I'm going to put you guys on the timelines of stuff we're doing now. Busy building the mountings and stuff like that, so I won't be very talkative on the camera now at this stage, but stay tuned. Wat zie je nu zo fucking weten? Currently busy welding in the supports for the cradle in front, because we're gonna mount the radiator brackets on there, the steering rack brackets and stuff on there. So that's the current braces we're welding in there. Well, not me, my friend, he's welding, I can't weld. And then yeah, it's getting closer guys. Look, can't wait. I just actually want to get it started and stuff like that. So anyway, but after this we're gonna make the plans for the steering mount, after the engine mount. So I bought engine mountings already at least, and I've got the metal for it. So then we're gonna build the mounts for the engine and the gearbox, and we're getting closer to it. Hope you guys enjoy the content so far. Okay, day 2. Yesterday we didn't really do a lot. We actually just finished mounting up the supports inside the chassis for where the mount is going to sit, and then we did in that base plate. Nice. So anyways, we left early yesterday, we're back late today again, so I doubt we're going to get a lot done. But I brought the radiator that we're going to fit, and I brought some grinding discs and flabber discs, or cutting discs and flabber discs. So today what we're going to try to do is, hopefully if we can get something done, if my friend doesn't have a lot of work to do, we're basically only going to see if we can build a mounting so the engine can stand on its own, or lay on its own, or however you want to call it, lay on its own, and then we're probably going to be done for the day. So I'm back to work tomorrow, so there won't be any updates on the Golf again for another week now. But let's see how far we get today, and then if I can get if I can do updates, I'll do updates and I'll let you guys know. Well guys, so day 2 was a fail, a big fail. We did absolutely nothing on the Golf. We actually, all we did was we covered it with what do you call it in English, cover, a plastic cover. No, so that's what we did. Sorry for that though. But I'm gonna wash the bucket now, so here's a small clip of me washing the caddy. will be hanging on its own, and then it's on to the next thing. So problem we're currently having, and we're contemplating on what we're going to do is the steering, how we're going to sort out the steering conversion and the steering stuff on it. So yeah guys, anyways, thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to them, and press the notification bell so you guys can see when I upload more videos on the Golf content or on the caddy. There's not really anything getting done on the caddy now. Only thing I did is I ordered a white tire marker so I can get the lettering done on the tires, but then also I need to change the tires at the back, because after loading it, the body is actually rubbing against the tires on dips and bumps and stuff like that, so it cut the tire quite badly. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Okay, so guys, if you guys made it this far in a video, I truly love you guys. Thank you so much. So you know, when one is washing a car and you've got some alone time, you start thinking about what's next. So what's next on the caddy? So like I told you guys previously, I did order the tire marker, so I'm gonna get the tire marker soon. And when I get the tire marker, I'm gonna obviously do the markings on the tire in white. And then after that, what's next? So I'm basically thinking on the caddy to take the black stripes it's got. Let me show you all that. So that's in the back. And that's at the front. So what I'm thinking is basically to make the black stripes maybe a chrome color, or take it off completely, or move it to the side or something like that. Not 100% sure. If anybody watching this video now, if you can draw nice pictures, of course, please draw me a car and drop me an email. My email is in the description below. Also, you see here, that's how the body is catching the tire and chipping away out of my tires. So I'm going to need to replace this, and then I'm going to need to roll this fenders. Otherwise I'm going to stand with a flat wheel. And then I basically, well, sort of got a new tailgate. And then what next is I want to put a hard lid on here and do maybe like a ducter lip, like a Rocket Bunny ducter lip on it. And then maybe I should put a pole up. What do you guys think about some bow cup arches on it? And nice fat wheels like a 10J or something. But anyways, that's what my ideas are. So drop a comment below and tell me what you guys think, or tell me what you think should be next for the caddy, because I still want to do a tint on the windows also. But we'll see how much money I've got at the month end and see what the next upgrades holds for basically the caddy and the Golf. Guys, if you did like the video, please go like it and subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. Press the notification bell so you guys get notified when new videos is coming up. Okay guys, thanks for watching.